All right, so we've got Module 3, Lesson 5 homework. Working on place value discs to look at patterns when multiplying by the same front digits and kind of ignoring the amount of zeros we have. So we're using the place value disc chart to show what happens when you continue to multiply. So if we look here, we know 5 times 2. Let's hope all of our fourth graders know that that's 10. So we're doing 5 times 2 ones is how many ones? 10 ones. So we have our 2 ones here. So we're looking for 5 groups of those because we're doing 5 times 2 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll give us our 10. And then we can do that. If the kids want to go a step further, they can bundle these 10 and move it over so they see that we have 110. So we're going to continue the pattern as we go down. If they don't want to jump to this first and they want to go to place value discs before they give me an answer, that's fine. So 5 times how many tens? 20 is 2 tens. So how many tens do we have? We're going to continue to use that word just like we used over here. So 5 times 2 tens is 10 tens. So we have our 2 tens, that's our first one, and then we need 5 groups of those because we're multiplying that 1 by 5. That gives us 10 tens. I'm going to bundle that, move it over. We have 100. So we have 100. Right, same thing, we're just going to keep continuing on here. So we have 5 times 2 hundreds is, so we have 2 hundreds, and we're going to do that 5 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bundle that up, move it over. So that's 10 hundreds or 1,000. 1,000. So again, move that 5 down. 5 times 2 thousands is 10 thousands. We don't have a 10,000 in the place value chart. So again, we're just looking at the pattern. It's going to continue to be 10, and then we just have to decide how many zeros. So we're just adding the amount of zeros that we have on the number that we're multiplying there. So if we were to bundle that up and move it over to the 10,000s, we would have 1 10,000. That's 10,000. So again, they figured out today that they just multiply the front numbers and then add the total amount of zeros. So you'll see that on the back. There's a big chart here. So we have 20 times 9, so 2 times 9 is 18. Add 1 0. 6 times 7, 42. Add 1 0. Okay, the kids can take it a step further if they want to do 7 times 700s. And come up with 49 hundreds. And then know that that's 4,900. They can do that as well. So these are basically, they're just going with their math facts here. So they need to know 4 times 7, 9 times 9, 8 times 6, and then adding the amount of zeros that are in the total equation. So we have one word problem. At the school cafeteria, each student who orders lunch gets 6 chicken nuggets. The cafeteria staff prepares enough for 300 kids. How many chicken nuggets does the cafeteria staff prepare altogether? So, let's see. Each student gets 6 nuggets. The cafeteria staff prepares enough for 300 kids. Those are the things we know. Our question is how many nuggets does the cafeteria staff need to prepare all together? So if we have 300 kids times 6 nuggets, so we have our kids, that's our nuggets per kid, that's going to equal 1,800 nuggets. So 3 times 8 is 18. Add your 2 zeros, get 1,800. So there's Module 3, Lesson 5.